Okay, so once you've tried this on, maybe gotten the elastic to the right tension, you'll notice these parts bend a little bit to bend around your head and keep a good seal. There's also these wings toward the front, and these are for getting the plastic PET shield on. They'll flex a good amount. They might break, but it's far less likely that the headband will break than the clear PET sheet. So the first thing I would do is start on one side and work around, because the middle ones, should easily pop in, no problem. But then when you get to this last hole, you can see it doesn't line up because it needs the tension from being held on to this little node here. So you're going to need to flex a good amount. Use your fingers to push the wing in that direction, and you could use these fingers to pull the plastic away from the other nubs so it's as far over as it can get. But mostly, that's good, but mostly it's about the wing here. So I would put a couple fingers in there and just start stretching it up and gently pull it over. And you probably don't even want to hear a snap where it snaps in place, because you're doing it so gently and smoothly that you don't get that. And you're going to do the same thing when you've worn it all day and you need to wash it. You're going to do the same process where you bring this, you stretch that out, put some fingers there to hold it, and slide it off. So yeah, once you get the hang of it, it'll slide on and off. But you can hear the sound. It's not much of a sound, as opposed to trying to, just push it down and snap it. I would actually push this up until it kind of goes in. Actually, it'll probably, if you push it up enough, it'll eventually just slide on. There. Eventually, instead of snapping, it'll just slide. There we go. So when you want to take it off, same thing. And you can see that we did get, this one's cracked, because I didn't realize how gentle you have to be with this. So I'm glad you guys told me it was a problem. Just flex that up enough to slide on. No problem. You could even maybe change which side you do this to, just since we're going to wear these a lot. Flex that up enough to just slide off. Flex that up enough to just slide on and off, no problem. But once you push it back, once you let it go, it'll be nice and snug on there. Perfect. The bottom is easier to get on at this point. You can use your palms to kind of push it in, and then once it has the curve already, it's pretty easy. That does kind of click in place. So it's on there pretty good, but it'll also come off pretty easily to wash. If you push that forward enough, it will almost just slide off on its own. Let's see. See, just kind of pop in there. Yeah, so if you can get it to slide in just by pushing up on this wing and pulling in this direction.